I want you to look at the nose, because the nose knows. You see the guilty look? Wonder why. Let's go check your brother. He's got a white nose too. What's up with that? Well, let's just see what these guys have been up to. Could be the fact that they chewed a hole in the wall. I have never seen anything like this. I believe these guys are in trouble. Big time.